Ever feel like success is a VIP club you're not invited to? What if I told you the door's been open all along? You just need the code. Let's crack it. Define success and financial independence. Success isn't a lottery ticket, it's a ladder. Each rung, choices. Financial freedom isn't about yachts, it's about choices too. Like choosing your asterisk time over trading it for cash. Key point 1. Mindset revolution. Meet Jamie, stuck in a 9-5. Scrolling, rich talk. At midnight. Sound familiar? Jamie's breakthrough came not from a paycheck, but asterisk mindset asterisk shift. What can I asterisk offer asterisk the world? Not, what can I asterisk take asterisk? That's the pivot. Key point 2. Action over perfection. Here's the truth. You don't need a perfect plan. You need to start. The first dollar I made online, selling used textbooks. Not glamorous, but it funded my next move. Action breeds clarity, not the other way around. Key point 3. Financial fluency. Let's talk money. Rule pound 1. Make it work while you sleep. Invest in assets. A course, crypto, a coffee cart. Your call. But asterisk invest asterisk. Time is your only non-renewable resource. You've got 86,400 seconds today. How many will you trade for excuses? The algorithm of wealth rewards the bold. Hit play on your journey. Comment I'm in below, and let's trend in real life, not just online. Your future self is watching this video right now through eyes of pride. Asterisk don't disappoint them.